There's my spike driver right over there.
But hold on to the railing.
Hold on to something. I think it's going to be a while before we pull out of here. We missed the train, they're saying. She's saying, we have trains here? I gotta park. Hurry. This guy's gonna spray paint something.
Brush paint, doesn't it?
I don't know, he's gonna, I guess he's gonna count the wheels, make sure there's 8 wheels on each train. And then spray paint them and say, yep, I checked every wheels out. Yeah, he's gonna spray our sneakers.
Squeezing the axles.
Get some WD-40 out of the garage and lube up the brakes. Hope he ain't spraying the brakes. We ain't gonna stop. That could be a problem. We could be heading to Philadelphia. You don't think they're gonna stop. All right, your job is to go out and get the WD-40. A little lube job here, a little maintenance going on. Look! You feel like you're in the 30s, honey, with this music?
I don't know what the 30s feels like, but I'll take that.
Uh-oh, I think we're gonna get yanked. I think I just heard a boop boop.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, you missed a spot. Yeah, we're good to go.
And the house is going. You see?
I think we're going to be at our destination in about 3 songs.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the New Hope and Ivyland Railroad. Some safety announcements.
A little late for that.
If you're sitting by an open window or in the open car, please don't stick any part of your body outside the train at any time. I guess an awful lot of close
Don't take a leak off the train. Just saying, don't stick any body parts.
The windows are held up with safety sticks in the coach car. Please do not remove them. They hold up the windows. All children must remain seated. Please don't move between the cars while the train is in motion. This is a non-smoking train. Also, since you're riding on antique railroad equipment, we ask that you please don't put your feet on the seats or cushions. However, we don't mind if you take your shoes off and do that. Our power car attendants today are Tom and Jamie. They have soft pretzels for sale, juice, soda, water, beer, wine, mixed drinks. There's always a happy hour somewhere on this train. It's happy hour every hour we run our trains.
You got to ride your train, honey.
I'm on the train this time instead of the bus.
Yeah, but can you drive the train?
Huh?
Can you drive the train? You need a CDL, a locomotive CDL.
Okay, we're going to a trestle bridge called Prairie Trestle back in 1914 before the days of Hollywood. After Star White starred in the silent movies for the personally. And that film was a classic too, which Paulie was tied to these tracks. And a giant steam locomotive comes back.
You know, they always say
At the
that.
last possible moment when all looks lost, she's saved by her hero Harry and left to this trestle bridge in 1914.
They say that for every trestle bridge, every train ever went over. You know that? They say the same thing for the one in Milltown that goes out past the ice cream depot. They say, well, she was tied to this train and the train went off the tracks. And that's a bit of history.
Now, if you're sitting the way the train is moving, your right is right, your left is left. If you're not sitting that way, everything I say will be the opposite. Coming up on the right side of the train, runs the Ingerman waterway. Back in the late 18th century, they built mills along this waterway to take advantage of its swift and powerful current, like a sawmill, splitting mill, even a paper mill. By 1804, there were 9 mills on the Ingerman waterway, and it's only 3.5 miles long.
What the mortgages on that?
Farmers and businessmen who wanted to establish a rail line through the big city of Philadelphia.
You can afford to live there, honey?
County. In 1891, the first steam passenger train left New Hope bound to Philadelphia. The next half-century, Bucks County and Massachusetts line as their main means of transportation into the city of Philadelphia. In 1991, the New Hope and Ivyland celebrated 100 years of continuous rail operation.
Philadelphia.
The next 45-50 minutes, sit back, relax, and enjoy traditional learning just to work our great grandparents today. What station is next?
Well, we just had breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Right, guys.
There's the pretzels. Pretzel lady. A buck. Got a lovely beverage going on here. We're good. Thank you. Thank you.
Coming up on the left side of the train.
I got the real camera this time, not that old cell phone.
And once again, the building was tied to conveyor belts right by a giant hustle. As we pass that old building, now appearing on the left side of the road. Once again, she was saved by her hero Harry in 1914.
Supposed to be holding on.
See that guy? He just said something to us on his walkie, and it was on the radio.
I know, but I can take out what he said.
As we travel through the woods today, keep your eyes out
So
for that
nice.
animals. We never know what we're going to see, so keep your eyes peeled.
Aren't you glad we came?
Yeah.
Look at bamboo. Look at all that bamboo growing over there. That guy grows bamboo.
He didn't
There's
look
a
too happy
landscape right
having to
there.
wait for this train to cross.
He's been bamboozled.
Coming up on the left side of the train, the remnants of the once promising Pennsylvania shell. It's all exploding in a great
gonna put this on pause because I'm gonna run out of this single DVD I got with me.